Lack of motivation, having trouble getting started, not sure why you can't get off the mark? Here's the key. Hey guys, Jim Edwards here, and welcome to another edition of Letting the Chickens Out with Jim. And I have a really quick tip for you. I've been seeing a lot of stuff lately. I don't know, maybe I'm just keying in on it. It's interesting. But people saying, hey, I'm not motivated. Is anybody else having a problem getting motivated or getting into action or doing what they need to do? And I say the reason you might be unable to get into action is because you have a weak reason why. Whenever it's all about you, it's easy to let yourself off the hook. But when it's about somebody else, like your kid, your wife, your grandchildren, your parents, a charity, a cause, a group of people you believe in, all of a sudden that can give you the strength you need to push through, whereas when you're only doing it for yourself, you have trouble finding the motivation. So one of the things that I would suggest is if you're having trouble getting stuff done, sit down and make a list of all the reasons why you want to do something, but also make a list of all the people that you're going to impact when you do get this done. And then here's the key step. Then make a list of how all these people that you care about will be affected if you don't do what you say you're going to do, and feel the pain of them being disappointed. Feel the pain of them being let down. Feel the pain of them looking at you like you let them down. And that, at least for me, is more than enough motivation to get me off the mark and to get me to do what I need to do. Now you might say, wow, Jim, that sounds like manipulation. Yes, it is manipulation. Manipulate yourself. Do whatever you got to do. And to manipulate yourself, that sounds like a totally different topic, but I digress. I just crack myself up sometimes. Do whatever you have to do to pull your own strings and push your own buttons to get yourself to take the actions you know you need to take to find the success you say you want to find. And if that means using external motivation like the people you love or people you care about or causes that are bigger than yourself, when you get outside of yourself, that's how you can get things done. That's how you can take the action you need to take. When it's just you and your own little pity pot, it's about the most pathetic thing you're ever going to see or feel in your life. But as soon as it's something more than you, you will be shocked at the great things you can do, the focus you can have, and the actions you can take. So I don't want to belabor this too much. Just get outside yourself, focus on something bigger than yourself, and go achieve your dreams. So I'm Jim Edwards. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.